So now I'd like to recycle some map content from a script that we wrote. And so the idea is that I'd like to kind of add data to this map. Um, and so to do that, we're going to work with the nighttime lights, the script, which I think if I go over to my scripts, I'm going to make sure that this is saved. In this case, I might even open up just another instance of the code editor. And I want to go to my class folder, and we did this changes in the night in week 5. And uh, and so what I'd like to do is basically I'm going to do Command A. So I put my cursor in this thing, and I said Command A because I'm on a Mac, and on a Windows you might do Control C. And then I'm going to say Command C because I'm on a Mac, and on a Windows it might be Control C to copy it all. And then I'm going to go over to here. Oops, and I forgot to do that stuff. So actually, first I'm going to say, let's add this header so that I know where I am. And I'm going to recycle map content from the script. And then I'm going to go over here, Command A, Command C, and paste it all in. And then I just want to kind of go through this and decide what I really need here. So, because remember, we did a bunch of stuff that I have commented out. And so when we did the changes in the night to introduce additive color and so forth, we loaded the image collection. Yep, I need that. Don't need to print anymore. So I'm going to kind of comment that out. Created a dictionary. Sure, don't need to print. Going to comment that out. We made an image for band 1, displayed the images of the layer, made an image for band 2. Don't really need to do any of that. I'll keep it commented out. We wrote a function and then tested it. Sure, can keep that. We tested the generality, it's commented out, don't need it. We revised the script, okay. And then the only thing here is that if I want it to set the center, I just gotta make the big M a little m, because I know big M has kind of gone away. Like we cleared big M when we cleared our root, right? So what this step did, UI.root.clear, is it killed the big M map, and and it replaced big M map with little m map. Is that fair? Right there. So anything that we did to big M app that we want to do to little m map, we have to just change the caps there. And and then again, I don't need to print this, and I don't really need to uh, add the individual layers. I don't think. Created the change image, printed it, don't need, little m map, run it, and boom, there's our script running over here and displaying in there. And I didn't print anything to console because no one's going to see the console when you publish your app, right? Like the whole trick is that anything that you want people to see that used to be in your console, you're going to have to put over here now. Is that fair? So that's kind of that's kind of why we made this thing. And we don't, and most of those prints we did were just checks for ourselves to make sure that we were kind of what we were doing were making sense. They're kind of private notes. They don't need to be. We don't need to kind of share them with the kind of the general map reader. Is that fair? So everything looks pretty good over here, and that's kind of congrats. You've just moved the results of your analysis into something that is kind of shareable. And I'm going to say save and keep moving on.